Today, the first half of the stage, it was fighting for every centimeter on the track. Even one time I'm just out from my working office. But like everything is fine, I'm happy.
I started 2 minutes in front of Antanas. The very beginning was very fast, full throttle all the way. I missed one corner, the same than Antanas, and I fall into ruts. Hopefully I didn't crash anything, I just lose maybe 10 seconds to go out of this rut. Then I continue on my pace, I was comfortable.
And the second part was extremely fast. I made very few big jumps. One, when I landed, even neutral gear start working.
In the last section, I come on Andorra. The quad was rolled over, so I helped him to put the quad back in his wheels, and then let him go. I go because I cannot help for nothing.
The first place in overall ranking, Andorra, very nice guy. He is, I think, out of today's stage. It's good news for us and also sad news for him because he's a really good guy.
I managed to go till the end without crashing the bike and so on, so that was a nice day.
We will fight for the tomorrow all podium with Vishnevsky, me and Gayatan. It looks like only a few seconds between all of us. We can't relax for tomorrow, need to go to prepare our ATVs and the last stage, so let's go.